Meet the TYPHON xFlex 4068ET high-reach electric scissor lift, engineered to deliver outstanding performance at elevated heights. Reach up to 40 feet with confidence and stability, built for demanding construction and industrial applications. Heavy-duty 3.2-ton design for maximum structural strength. Spacious platform designed for operators, tools, and equipment. 705 pounds load. Capacity for increased workplace productivity. Extended platform. Reach for greater job site accessibility. High performance 5.4 horsepower hydraulic pump motor system. Smooth and reliable. Hydraulic lifting cylinder operation. Reinforced steel platform chassis built for long-term durability. Rubber track mobility for enhanced ground traction and stability. Confidently navigate slopes with 30-degree climbing ability. Walking-style hydraulic drive for precise machine movement. Exceptional stability across uneven and challenging terrain. Advanced battery system designed for extended working hours. Emergency stop and intelligent control functions for safer operation. Built to handle high-elevation maintenance and installation tasks. Combining reach, power, safety, and reliability in one machine. Experience the next level of productivity with TYPHON machinery.